A very warm welcome to one and all. I'm Rohini Ganesh Batwal from Gokhale Education Society's JD Cibitco English Medium High School with 6th standard science subject, and the topic is chapter number 4, Disaster Management. Can you recall, students? What events do you see in these pictures? Second, what would you have done in these situations? Third, have you experienced such a situation yourself? And why do these events occur? Comment your answers, students. Let us move towards what is disaster. Students, in 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Kilari in Latur district. Even today, people of Mumbai shudder at the memory of July 2005 when many people had lost their lives in the delay caused by heavy rains. In July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon, Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to a landslide. Many got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their life. And in November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Let us move towards what is disaster. Students, a sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of a nation or a society is called a disaster. Let us use your brain power, student. What disaster can occur in school or on the way to school? And according to you, what can be done to deal with such a disaster? Comment your answer, student. Let us move towards types of disaster. Students, there are mainly two kinds of disasters are there, man-made and natural. Now let us see how and why do the following disasters occur. First, floods due to heavy rains, an earthquake, lightning, a volcanic eruption, etc. Forest fires, increased risk due to high density of population in a limited area, rampant and irregular constructions, ecological imbalance, terrorism, riots, and crimes resulting in bomb explosions, assaults, fire, and accidents, etc. Now, students, see the another part. Classify the following disaster as man-made or natural. Few disasters are given, and one example are already solved of man-made, and one example of natural disaster is given. You have to find man-made disasters and natural disaster, and you have to complete the table. Go through it, students. Let us see. The first is fire, earthquake, leakage of chemical gases, storms, floods, tsunami, bomb explosion, collapse of a building, war, and forest fire. Complete the table and send me your screenshots. Okay. Now let us move towards the first disaster, that is earthquake. Students, movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amounts of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movement of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that besides other causes, man-made causes like mining and constructions of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. Now let us see what are the effects of earthquake. Students, due to this, destruction of infrastructure, that is buildings, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Change in the direction of the flow of rivers, and there is a huge loss of life and property. Let us move towards the second one, that is floods. Students, a frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is floods. Due to the excessive rains in the same place, a river overflows its banks, causing a flood. The water drainage system in big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. Water overflows onto the roads and surrounding areas and even enters nearby houses. Let us see what are the effects of floods. Huge loss to life and property, soil erosion, destructions of standing crops, after effects of floods like spread of diseases and epidemics affecting the health of the people. Let us move towards the next, that is storms. Students, the formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes changes in the weather resulting in strong winds, or we can say that it is a storms. Now let us see what are the effects of storms. Students, the first effect is it gives great damage in the storm affected regions, tremendous losses to life and property, disruptions of electric supply, and disruption of transport and communication due to fall of trees, electric poles, etc. Let us move towards the next, that is forest fires. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture, or grassland due to natural or man-made causes. Forest fires spreads at a tremendous speed. Then let us see what are the effects of forest fires. It gives great damage to natural wealth and biodiversity, and it leads to pollution of air. Students, here we have finished half of the lesson, and rest of the lesson we will see in the next video. Thank you students. Bye. Take care.